Welcome back to day 51 of our Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint. I'm so excited to deep dive in with you today into something that can completely transform your business and your confidence, showing up on camera with boldness and authenticity. You know, it's fascinating how so many entrepreneurs struggle with this exact challenge. The truth is, people don't connect with perfection, they connect with the presence. And that's exactly what I want to explore with you today. So take a moment and think about the last time that you watched a video and you really moved you. What made it so special? Was it the perfect lighting? Was it the flawless script? Or was it the genuine connection that you felt with that person speaking? When I first started recording videos, I was incredibly nervous, and I mean palm sweating, heart racing, nervous. I remember overthinking every single detail, how I looked, how I sounded, what people would think of me. I'd spend hours adjusting my lighting and changing my outfits and second guessing every word. I'd record the same video dozens of times, trying to get it perfect, and sometimes I'd spend the entire afternoon just creating one simple video. But you know what? That perfectionism was holding me back from making those real connections with my audience. I was so focused on getting everything right that I lost my sight of what really mattered, connecting with the people who need my message. So the breakthrough came whenever I shifted the focus away from being myself onto the people that I was meant to serve. It was like a weight lifted off of my shoulders. Instead of obsessing over my performance, I started thinking deeply about their needs, their challenges, and how I could help them overcome their obstacles. I began asking myself, what does my audience need to hear from me today? How can I make their journey easier? That simple mindset shift changed everything about how I showed up on camera. Suddenly, my videos weren't about me anymore. They were about serving my audience and the valuable content that could transform their businesses. Let me share something powerful with you. Something that I wish that someone had told me years ago. Confidence on camera isn't about flawless delivery or having that perfect script. It's about the heartfelt connections and the genuine connection. Think about when you're teaching in a classroom, leading a meeting, or speaking to a close friend about something that you're passionate about. In those moments, you're not focused on being perfect. You're focused on getting your message across. You're naturally animated, engaged, and present. That's exactly the energy that you need to bring to your videos. When was the last time that you felt kind of natural flow in a conversation? That's the feeling that you're aiming for. The more you practice showing up authentically, the more naturally it will become. It's like building a muscle. Each video makes you stronger and more confident. Your audience can feel when you're being genuine, and that authenticity builds trust faster than any polished performance could ever. Your passion should shine through when your belief in what you're sharing is evident. That's when people truly connect with your message. Think about this. We're all drawn to people who speak from the heart, who have shared genuine experiences, both successes and struggles. Their true vulnerability creates a powerful bond with the viewers. Here's what I really want you to understand about building trust through video content. This is crucial with your business growth. Truth isn't built through perfect scripts, messages, or flawless execution. It's built through consistency, authenticity, and providing genuine value to your audience. When people can see the real you, your personality, your quirks, your genuine way of explaining things, they're more likely to engage, connect, and ultimately do business with you. Think about the content creators you follow. Are you following the ones who feel most real and relatable to you? That's exactly what you're aiming to create. Now let's get to practical. I'm going to share a simple yet powerful 3-step framework that will help you create engaging videos every single time. I've tested the framework extensively and I've seen it work wonders with entrepreneurs at every level. And this framework has helped countless business owners overcome their camera fears and start creating content that converts. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You can start using it immediately. even if you're completely new to video content creation. So step one is your hook. This is the most crucial first 3 seconds. And I mean 1, 2, 3 seconds. You have 3 seconds to catch and grab your audience attention. This is where most people scroll past. So you need to make it count. Instead of that generic introduction, start with something that's simple that will stop them in their tracks. For example, you might say, what if I told you your voice could change someone else's life today? Or the biggest mistake I see entrepreneurs make is something that you're probably doing right now. See how these openings create curiosity and make people want to keep watching? Your hook should promise value and spark interest in what's coming next. So step 2 is delivering value. This is where you teach, inspire, and encourage your audience. Focus on one main point that you're going to willing to help them with, solve a problem, or achieve a goal. Keep it clear, concise, and actionable. Remember, you're not trying to teach everything that you know, just one valuable insight that they can implement right away. Think about your expertise as a vast ocean. Instead of trying to give them the whole ocean, give them one perfect glass of water that they can drink right now. Make it so practical that they can take action as soon as the video ends. Step 3 is your call to action. This is where you invite engagement from your audience. Make it simple and make it precise. Ask them to comment a certain word, share the video with someone who needs it, or take certain action that will help them implement what they've learned. For example, you might say, if this resonates with you, type yes below and share this one action with someone you're going to take it with today. The key is to make it easy and compelling for your audience to take the next step. So let's talk about your energy and your presence on camera, because this is where magic really happens. Your energy is contagious. So show up with enthusiasm and purpose. Stand tall, smile naturally, and speak with conviction. These physical adjustments might seem small, but they make a huge difference in how your audience perceives and receives your message. Think about it like this. Your energy is like a mirror. Whatever energy that you bring into the camera is what your audience will feel like watching your video. So take a deep breath, ground yourself, and let your natural enthusiasm shine through. Remember this, every time you hit that record, you're planting a seed. Even if it's someone that's only one person that watches your video and feels inspired, that's impact. You never know who's watching, never know who's waiting for that exact encouragement that only you can provide. I've received messages from people who's watched my videos I almost didn't post, telling me how that exact message was exactly what they needed that day. Don't let your perfect conditions or your perfect delivery start with being present and authentic. Your message matters, and someone out there needs to hear it exactly the only way that you can say it. Consistency is a key in building both confidence and audience connection. The more you show up, the more comfortable you become, the more authentic your personality shines through. Think about this. Every time you create a video, you're creating and strengthening that muscle of authenticity. Your audience will appreciate seeing your growth and your journey, which makes you more relatable and trustworthy. They'll notice how you become more natural, more engaging, and more confident with each video. This journey of growth isn't about improving your delivery. It's about developing deeper connections with your viewers who are walking this path alongside you. So here on your Day 51 challenge, I want you to hit that record for 60-second video using the hook, the value, and the CTA from what we discussed above. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First, choose a topic that is you're passionate about, something that lights you up when you talk about it. Then craft a compelling hook that would make you stop the scroll. Share that one valuable insight that could genuinely help your audience. And finally, end it with a clear, engaging call to action. Do not edit it, just post it exactly as it is. And remember, you're aiming for the progress, not perfection. This exercise isn't about creating the perfect video. It's about building the confidence and connecting with your audience. Take a deep breath, breathe, trust your audience, and let your authentic enthusiasm shine through. After you post your video, take a moment to reflect how it felt. What worked well? What would you do different next time? Pay attention to the moments where you felt most natural and confident. What made these moments special? Notice that your energy shifted throughout the video. Were there points where you felt particularly connected to your message? These insights are golden nuggets for your growth. The reflection process is crucial for your growth and development and your confidence as a video creator. It's not about criticism. It's about conscious improvement and celebrating your progress. So tomorrow on day 52, we'll build on what we've already learned today. We'll dive even deeper into the delivery techniques and naturally speaking practices that will help you feel more confident and comfortable on camera. We'll explore powerful body language techniques, voice strategies, and ways to maintain high energy throughout your videos. You'll learn how to use storytelling to keep the audience engaged and how to create natural transitions that flow effortlessly. This is just the beginning of your journey to being confident and an impactful video creator. So get ready to transform your business through authentic video content. Remember, your story, your voice, your message matter more than you realize. There's someone out there right now who needs to hear exactly what you have to share in exactly the way that you can share it. Your authenticity is your superpower. Your experiences and your insight, your perspective, that is so, so uniquely valuable. Now it's your time to shine, to make an impact, and let's turn that camera on and start creating the content that truly connects with your audience. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. So let's make it happen. Start today. I will see you tomorrow.